This is your boy Consumer Tech Guy, and OnePlus had its launch event for its new flagship phone, the OnePlus 5T. I'm not going to lie, at first glance I thought it was just a knockoff of the iPhone 7, but after they went into detail about the phone, it was nothing like the iPhone 7 at all. The 5T sports a 6-inch bezel-less design. The screen is an AMOLED display at an 18:9 ratio. It's an 80.5% screen to body ratio. That's a huge step up from the OnePlus 5's smaller screen. But because of the 5T's bigger screen, they had to get rid of the fingerprint scanner. But don't worry, they moved it to the back of the phone, just like a lot of Android manufacturers have been doing. With them moving the fingerprint scanner to the back of the phone, they added a new feature, facial recognition. The new facial recognition feature is pretty fast. With just one press of the button, it takes you straight to the home screen with no delay. It's so fast you don't even see the lock screen if you want to take a look at your notifications before it unlocks. Only other thing is, unlike the iPhone, the facial recognition on the 5T will not work with payment apps or services. You will have to still use the fingerprint scanner. Another nice feature is the alert switch on the side of the phone. With the switch, changing your phone from ring to vibrate and then silent is just that much simpler. Now I'm going to talk about the cameras. The phone has dual cameras. The main camera is 16 megapixels at f1.7 and the second camera is 20 megapixels at f1.7 instead of a telephoto camera. The purpose of the second camera is so that you can take better pictures in low light through intelligent pixel technology. Basically, what intelligent pixel technology is, it takes 4 pixels and groups them into one giant pixel for better pictures. Also, the dual cameras, you should be able to take better pictures in portrait mode and better video stabilization. The 5T will continue to have a headphone jack, which is a lot of phones are going away from, and will continue to run on OnePlus's own Oxygen OS, which runs over Android 7.1.1 Nougat. It will be running on Qualcomm's fastest Android processor to date, the Snapdragon 835. It will also have a 3,300 mAh battery with dash charging capability, which means you will be able to use your phone all day. There will be 2 models. The 64GB model will have 6 gigs of RAM, which will be $499. Also, there will be a 128GB model with 8 gigs of RAM, which will be $599. Now, I'm extremely excited about the prices because that's a lot cheaper than most flagship models. That is the rundown of the new OnePlus 5T, and with that, to my next video, peace.